Are you looking good? You like Florida, huh?
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah, I see you, man.
Hey, no Mark. Too bad.
I think you've seen him. His name is Mark. How's that?
Oh fuck. Oh shit, it's my right shoulder. Oh my god. My right shoulder's going numb. My right shoulder's going numb. Yeah.
Wow.
Holy shit.
There's a traps there inside.
The what?
There's
Inside
yeah,
my
inside.
shoulder?
Yeah. So if it's numb, when you finish the inversion, you go up. Remember I told you the one lying in your stomach and you climb your hands on the wall.
Yeah.
That's it. You can help to open that one. And then remember you lie in your stomach and then you climb on the door.
You're gonna have to. Go up.
Yeah.
And, like to do this stretch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you just do like this.
Yeah.
You need
Okay.
more space, like a wall from your
Yeah.
room. Because look, see, I'm putting a lot of pressure.
Right.
I pin you down here. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes I do this.
Yeah. You push stuff way out front. I feel that in my shoulder.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like the back right here.
Yeah. Now, face down. Put your chest over there. All the way down. All the way down here. Mark, all the way down. More. Yeah. So now you climb, same like this. You climb on the wall,
Yeah.
wall like this.
Mhm.
And then you just, once you reach the limit, you just go like this. Open the scapula.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yep.
Yeah.
I do.
So now we're gonna reverse it. Dang. I'm up here. Up here. Interlace. Look up. You see the crack to neck.
Smell good.
Me?
Mm.
I'm just gonna sweat. Any chance in my relax your head, your chin. Okay, guys. So if you wanna support my channel, please share my website and share it to Facebook, Instagram, and read it, and any social media. That would be great. It will help me to spread my work with real people and real clients. So yeah, and what do you think about the work?
It's great.
That's great.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video. Babu, say babu, my friend.
Bye-bye.
Babu.
Babu? Babu.
Babu.